Concrete canvas, and as you can see, this is totally waterproof. Looks like a concrete look. I can zoom it in. The roller lines, you see that sealer is a little wet, so that's why you see these roller lines. Other than that, but again, in the concrete canvas, the lines are not important. What's important is the flexibility, and as you can see how well it flexes. You can turn it to 180 degree. It's still, now look at it, no cracks at all. See? Yeah. So what I will show you now is I'll dump in some water and see how water repellent this is. Go ahead, dump it. Okay, look at this now. Look at the water. So this is real waterproof concrete canvas. See, I can remove this whole water.